Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can show your recent apps on the taskbar of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now bear in mind, this feature only works when your phone is unfolded, so when you fold your phone and you try making the taskbar appear, you'll notice that it won't. So let's say you've opened the camera app, you won't see the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. But if you unfold your phone and then you open the camera app, you should see this taskbar appearing on your screen. So ensure that your phone has been unfolded. Then once it's been unfolded, you can now open the settings app, and in settings you want to scroll and select display. Under display, look for the option taskbar and tap on it, and to make sure that this feature is enabled. So once it's been enabled, you should see show recent app. So if you want to hide or to remove the recent apps from the taskbar, simply tap on the toggle like that and it will be removed. And all you'll be left with is the phone app, the messages app, the Samsung Internet, Notes, Gallery, Camera app, and then this app's screen icon that when you tap on it shows you the app screen. But if you want to show the recent apps, then you can tap on the toggle like that to enable it. And then when you select the option, you can choose how many recent apps you want to show. So you have the option of 2 apps, you have 3 apps, and you have 4 apps for you to choose from. Then once you've made your choice, you should see the changes being applied to the taskbar. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.